The Apple Car, maybe Apple's worst-kept secret, is being built for a 2024 or later release. According to rumors, it will be a fully functional self-driving electric vehicle that will compete with Tesla and other EVs. Here are some of the Apple Car's features. Self-driving systems. Apple's work on self-driving vehicle technologies has been the most visible aspect of the entire program and has been kept under the Project Titan designation because to its closeness to the original car design concept. Unlike the concepts mentioned in patent filings and rumors, Apple has actively developed and tested a self-driving system, which has been mentioned in public files with government regulators and has even been cited on public roads. Training gear. Apple submitted the California DMV with documents intended to teach potential safety drivers before the vehicles are put out on public roads as part of their application for approval to test self-driving cars. According to the development platform, specific training materials, drivers must complete basic tests before they are authorized to take off, with the exams ranging from basic maneuvering to vehicle system intervention. This covers driving at low and high speeds, U-turns, quick steering input, sudden acceleration, braking and managing conflicting turn signal and action events. Drivers can electrically take the wheel using drive-by-wire technology when the vehicle is not being driven by software, utilizing a Logitech steering wheel and pedal system installed in front of the Lexus RX 450h driving controls. Pilots should be able to accelerate without overriding the system by pushing the brake pedal or gripping the steering wheel to disconnect the autonomous driving system. The reports that followed being granted testing approval, as well as other coverage of self-driving programs, caused Apple to write to the DMV, requesting clarification on changes to the manner it records incidents. Apple was particularly interested in clarity on disengagement reporting, which are reports issued when the safety driver disengages the self-driving system, for example, to avoid accidents or manage unexpected situations. Apple wants to tighten up these reports and omit information on planned tests, the end of testing, operational constraints, and other discretionary decisions made by the driver. When reporting situations that would have occurred if the driver had not disengaged, Apple additionally asks that you refrain from speculating about future occurrences that have not occurred. Car and driver counts. As of January 2018, the state of California had granted Apple permission to operate 27 self-driving cars on public roads. While this was a significant improvement over the 3 Lexus vehicles from April 2017, it was still far behind the massive fleets managed by other corporations. The fleet had grown to 4 to 5 automobiles on California highways by March 2018. The following May, the figures had risen to 55 test vehicles and 83 approved drivers, and in July, Apple was registered with the California DMV, bringing the fleet to 66 vehicles and 144 drivers, before peaking at 72 vehicles and 144 drivers in November 2018. According to California DMV data from April 2019, Apple has 69 vehicles and 110 drivers, a decrease in numbers. The following August, the same data source revealed that Apple had 143 registered pilots, but not the number of cars in use. Testbeds and Sensors. On August 25, the same year, a motorist noticed what appeared to be an improved version of Apple's self-driving testbed. According to reports, the truck was parked outside of an Apple facility in Sunnyvale, California. According to the photos, Apple is testing the 2016 to 2017 Lexus RX 450h, a newer variant of the 2015 edition vehicle that was previously used for testing. At the time, there was a change in the arrangement of the equipment to fit totally on the roof of the vehicle, as well as updates and a new style for the testbed. Though it's difficult to say exactly what technology was utilized, it seems like Apple employed a Velodyne Puck-Lide DAR sensor, a 16-channel instrument capable of logging 300,000 points per second at a range of up to 100 meters. There appear to be 14 pucks affixed to the car, 4 facing forward, 2 behind, and 2 at each corner. The vehicle also had several cameras, a GPS unit with an antenna, radio communications equipment, and a distance measurement system. Aside from the core sensor array, 5 yellow cap sensors might have been tiny radar arrays to help the main sensing system. Sensor efforts are being pushed up, according to an April 2019 report, with the corporation in talks with component vendors developing parts that might be utilized in self-driving systems. Apple has reportedly spoken with numerous LiDAR sensor providers and is purportedly examining technology on the market while also working on its own LiDAR hardware. While this research is primarily for testing purposes at the moment, the discussions could also be about future manufacturing efforts, such as making smaller components that could reduce the overall collection of sensors to a more manageable size, possibly to one that could be more easily integrated into the Apple car's design. A patent issued in late 2020 described how the front windshield would have a slot to accommodate sensors. This is similar to how Apple tackled the iPhone notch with Face ID. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Are you excited for the Apple car? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.